our officers responded to a report of shots fired. They located the scene of the shooting, and they located our 3 deceased victims. One deceased victim is a female in her 30s. Another one is a male in his 50s. Our suspect is also deceased here on scene, and he is a male in his 70s.
Ashley was in a custody dispute with her ex, Dylan Houston. He's also a Las Vegas attorney. His father is Joe. Court records show Joe was representing Dylan while Dennis was representing his wife, Ashley. Sources tell us Joe Houston shot and killed Dennis and Ashley Prince before turning the gun on himself. This happening at a divorce or custody deposition. These can often be contentious, especially when there are children involved. But of course, no one ever expected this. The shooting happening inside his law office. Attorney Robert Eglett, a close friend of Prince, calling this a family's worst nightmare. He says in addition to their infant child, they both had children from previous relationships. Dennis, a preteen son, and 2 adult children. Ashley, a 4- and 5-year-old. Infant no longer has a mother and father. Sources tell us the shooter is attorney Joe Houston II.
There were 7 people here taking part in a deposition inside the Prince Law Group. 3 of them represented one party, 3 of them represented the other part, and 1 was a court reporter.
It turns out the court system is designed to create conflict.
The court does is it creates a battleground in which each side hurls the harshest accusations they can come up with because they're desperate to win.
Many lawyers encourage their clients to be as aggressive as possible, tempting them with winning more money.
Antagonized by the tactics of the lawyers on the other side.
And once someone starts making accusations towards you in court, you have no choice but to fight back. Because if you don't, you could lose it all. Your house, your money, your possessions, your children, everything.
What you have is a tinderbox, and virtually anything can ignite that tinderbox. And the lawyers, frankly, often are throwing gasoline on that fire.